The Honor Watch 5 Ultra just dropped, and this thing is built like a tank, but with finesse. You're looking at a titanium alloy frame, sapphire crystal glass, and a polymer fiber back that makes it durable but still lightweight at 51.8 grams. No SIM, no cellular connectivity, but full-on GPS and a suite of sensors that turn your wrist into a mini health lab. And before we go further, if you love deep dives into powerful wearables like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. More epic tech content coming your way. Now back to the watch. It rocks a 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display, pushing 466 by 466 resolution, protected with sapphire glass so you're safe from scratches on any rugged adventure. The visuals are super crisp and the screen stays power efficient thanks to LTPO tech. It runs on a proprietary OS, which might feel a bit restrictive if you're used to Android Wear or watchOS, but it's optimized to work smoothly with Honor's ecosystem. You do get 8 GB of storage on board, although there's no option for a microSD slot, pretty standard for a watch at this level. The health features are seriously advanced. It's ECG certified, which means it's not just counting steps, it's scanning your heart's electrical activity. On top of that, it's got a heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, barometer, gyroscope, accelerometer, and even a compass. So whether you're hiking up a mountain or sitting at your desk, the Honor Watch 5 Ultra is capturing everything. And the sleep tracking? It kicks in overnight and syncs automatically with your phone, popping up right on your lock screen the next morning with detailed health data. For sports enthusiasts, this thing is a beast. Over 100 supported sports modes, including free diving up to 40 meters, 5 ATM plus IP68 waterproofing has you covered. Even if you're just jogging outdoors, the built-in GPS does a stellar job tracking your route without needing your phone. The data is accurate, the sync is fast, and the whole experience feels premium. That said, I haven't tested it underwater yet, but running with it has been smooth, even on rough terrain. Still, there's room for improvement. For starters, strap variety could be better. The stock strap is fine, but it would be awesome to have more premium options like titanium or black metal to match the rugged design. That would not only boost aesthetics but make the watch more versatile, from casual workouts to more formal settings. A bit of style flexibility goes a long way, especially for a wearable that costs over $300. Then there's the messaging functionality. While notifications come through just fine, your only reply options are preset messages. There's no on-screen keyboard or voice input, which feels like a missed opportunity. Even a minimal input method would have made responding more practical, especially in scenarios where pulling out your phone isn't convenient. This might be something that Honor could fix with a software update, and we're hoping they do. Still, the overall package is solid. With its titanium build, sapphire glass protection, and excellent tracking features, the Watch 5 Ultra lives up to the Ultra branding. It feels premium, tough, and highly capable. Whether you're climbing, running, or just monitoring your health, it keeps up without compromise. Battery life is also respectable thanks to the efficient OS and LTPO screen. It packs a 480 mAh cell, which can push past several days on a single charge depending on your usage pattern. Connectivity-wise, Bluetooth 5.2 is fast and stable, but no Wi-Fi or NFC limits its smart features slightly. You won't be making payments or downloading apps over the air. No radio, no USB either, but for a focused, fitness-first experience, that trade-off may be worth it for many users. It's designed to do a few things really well rather than trying to be a jack-of-all-trades smartwatch. The Honor Watch 5 Ultra is available in black and brown color variants, and it currently sells for around $328. That's a solid mid-premium tier for a watch built like this. It's not trying to be flashy, but it definitely stands out with its industrial design and advanced sensor suite. For someone who prioritizes health tracking and sports performance in a sturdy build, this watch delivers. If you're in the market for a durable, stylish smartwatch that's all about health and sports data, the Honor Watch 5 Ultra is a serious contender. It's got the looks, the tech, and the ruggedness to back it all up. And hey, if you found this review helpful or want to see more wearables and smart gear in action, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.